Everyone who drives should have car insurance. Aside from being a legal necessity, car insurance also provides financial security and peace of mind for you and your loved ones. But finding affordable car insurance can be a challenge, especially in Michigan. With rising costs and complex policies, it's no wonder that many Michigan residents struggle to secure a good deal. Don't worry, there are ways to get affordable car insurance quotes even in Michigan. We are here to provide you with the insider secrets to do just that. Take the stress out of the search by making a beeline for FreeAdvice.com, your hassle-free ticket to getting affordable insurance. Just type in your zip code in our free search box, and several of the best insurance quotes tailored to your needs will appear before your eyes in a matter of seconds. It's like having a personal insurance genie at your service. But wait, there's more. In this video, we'll explore smart ways you can find cheap car insurance without skimping on coverage in Michigan this year. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to navigate Michigan's auto insurance market and find the best deals on your coverage. So whether you're a new or seasoned driver, if you are looking to save money on your monthly car insurance bills in Michigan, this video is for you. Let's get started. If you're a Michigan resident, you're probably aware that car insurance rates in the state are among the highest in the country. But the good news is that a new law enacted in 2020 could help you save big on those dreaded premiums. Under the new no-fault legislation system, Michigan drivers can choose from 6 personal injury protection (PIP) medical options. Some residents may even be able to opt out of the medical insurance requirement altogether. If you're looking for the best rates for PIP insurance in Michigan, visit FreeAdvice.com and use our search tool to find and compare insurance quotes from top companies in your area. It's as easy as visiting our site and typing in your zip code, and no personal information is required. So why wait? Find the most affordable car insurance in Michigan today at FreeAdvice.com. Let's go over the meaning and implications of Michigan being a no-fault insurance state. Under this type of car insurance, your personal injury protection, or PIP, medical coverage takes care of your accident-related expenses no matter who caused the crash. So instead of worrying about filing a claim against the at-fault party, your PIP covers all reasonable and necessary medical expenses up to the maximum coverage amount you select. It also covers lost wages and replacement services for up to 3 years after the accident. The whole idea behind Michigan no-fault insurance is to ensure that injured individuals receive the medical treatment they need without putting an excessive financial burden on policyholders. Fortunately, the new PIP options could also save you hundreds of dollars on your premiums annually. Instead of being forced into expensive unlimited medical PIP coverage, you can choose the coverage that works best for you and your budget. Have you failed to maintain continuous car insurance coverage? It happens. We have some great news for Michigan residents. Under the new insurance laws in your state, insurance companies cannot charge a reinstatement fee, limit coverage, or increase premiums for drivers who have a lapse in their car insurance coverage. Another major advancement in Michigan insurance law is that auto insurance companies can no longer consider factors like gender, marital status, home ownership, credit score, education level, occupation, or even your zip code when determining rates, which puts an end to potential rate discrimination. Plus, a fraud investigation unit for insurance industry crimes has been established, and Michigan insurance providers must get approval on all insurance premiums before they are sold to consumers. So if you're a Michigan driver, take advantage of these new laws built to protect you and find the best rates in your area using the quote comparison tool at FreeAdvice.com. Michigan residents now have more choices for PIP coverage with 6 potential options. There are plenty of choices to meet every driver's needs. One Michigan PIP option is unlimited coverage. You can also choose coverage up to $500,000 or up to $250,000 for non-qualifying individuals. There's also a $250,000 option with PIP medical exclusions. This is a good choice for those with health insurance that covers car accidents. For those with Medicare, there's an option for up to $50,000 in PIP coverage. Plus, if Medicare members have Parts A and B and another Michigan auto insurance policy or health insurance that covers car accidents, they can opt out of PIP medical coverage entirely. With all these options for Michigan residents, it's never been easier to find the PIP medical coverage at the lowest price that not only meets your needs but also fits your budget. Gone are the days where you have to waste money on duplicate or overlapping coverage. But while Michigan's new no-fault insurance laws may provide potential savings on car insurance premiums, it could also have some downsides. While choosing reduced PIP coverage may lower your monthly premiums, it could end up costing you significantly if you get into an accident and require extensive medical care. If you suffer traumatic injuries in a car accident, you could easily exceed the coverage limits of $50,000 or even $500,000. Apart from these limitations, there are other potential adverse effects of the new insurance laws that you should consider. For example, changes to home health care coverage mean that insurers will only pay for 56 hours per week of home care, down from the previous coverage of 24-hour, round-the-clock home care. However, in some cases, insurance companies will agree to cover home care beyond 56 hours a week if it's deemed medically necessary. Another change is the new Medicare-based fee schedule that insurance companies must now follow. While this change could protect consumers with private health insurance, it might cause limitations on acute care for Medicare patients. So before making a decision to lower your coverage, you should weigh the potential benefits and risks carefully. On average, full coverage car insurance in Michigan costs $224 per month. However, this amount can vary greatly depending on various factors. One of the most important things you can do is shop around and compare quotes. If you only stick to one insurance company, you'll likely miss out on some deals. But if you compare rates, discounts, and policies from multiple providers, you can find the most affordable and customized coverage options for you. It's also essential to note that insurance companies use various factors to determine your premium, such as your age, driving record, and vehicle type. So what may be cheap for one person could be very expensive for you. By shopping around, you can find the insurance company that offers the best rates based on your specific circumstances. To get started on your search for affordable car insurance, look no further than FreeAdvice.com. Using our free quote comparison tool will allow you to find the cheapest car insurance rates in Michigan. An easy way to save money without sacrificing coverage is by bundling your insurance policies. If you have multiple insurance plans with the same provider, such as home and auto insurance, you may be eligible for a hefty discount. This will not only save you money, but will also simplify managing those accounts and payments. Depending on where you live, you may have several options for coverage with a bundling discount. Allstate, Farmers, Geico, Liberty Mutual, and many other providers encourage bundling with discounted premiums when you invest in them with more than one line of coverage. Bundling your Michigan insurance policies can save you up to 25% on your monthly premiums, and increasing your deductible can save you up to 15%. However, it's important to weigh the potential savings against the financial risks and factor in the total annual cost to ensure you're making the best financial decision. While these strategies could help you save money, bundling your insurance coverages with the same company may not always provide the cheapest option. This is why it's important to shop around and compare quotes from different providers to know you're getting the best deal. And that brings up another important piece of advice. Raising your car insurance deductible can be a great way to lower your monthly insurance bills in Michigan. But it puts you at a higher financial risk if you're involved in a car accident. Your deductible is the amount you agree to pay yourself before your insurance coverage kicks in. By raising it, you're taking on more financial risk in exchange for lower monthly premiums. The reasoning behind this is simple. If you have a higher deductible, you're going to be more hesitant to file a claim. Since insurance companies base their rates on the likelihood of a claim being filed, they'll reward you with lower premiums. It's also important to weigh how much you'll actually save by raising your deductible. If the difference isn't significant, it may not be worth the added risk. Visit FreeAdvice.com to compare insurance quotes to find the best rates. You'll be surprised at how much money you can save, and you might not need to raise your deductible after all. The key things to remember to find the best car insurance rates in Michigan is to shop around, compare quotes from several providers, and maintain a good driving record. Then you have the option to bundle your insurance policies and raise your deductible to save even more. Don't forget to look for discounts that providers offer and find out what choices you have for PIP coverage. Keep in mind that the cheapest car insurance isn't always the best. Make sure you understand the coverage you need and read the fine print before signing up for a new policy. And don't forget to regularly review your coverage and update it as necessary. When it comes to finding the most affordable yet complete coverage, you should start with this first step. Go to FreeAdvice.com and start comparing the best insurance quotes. Simply type in your zip code and voila! You'll be presented with a treasure trove of insurance options tailored to your needs. Well, that's a wrap on our video on how to get cheap car insurance in Michigan. We hope you found this information helpful and can put our advice to use to save serious cash on your car insurance this year. If you did, please hit that like button and share it with a friend to help them out. Don't let your friends overpay for their car insurance. We'd love to hear from you, so please let us know how much you were able to save on your car insurance in the comments section. We hope you can apply our advice to save big this year. And hey, while you're at it, swing by our channel. There's a gold mine of valuable content waiting for you there. We've got the scoop on how to get the best insurance deals. Check out our recent video on how social media impacts car insurance rates. You might be surprised at what insurance providers can use against you. Oh, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly videos where we share more insider secrets for how to save the most money possible on your insurance. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one.